RYOBI 80V HP Brushless 42-inch and 46-inch Lithium Electric Riding Lawn Tractor Assembly and Start Guide. Tools needed: a drill or impact and tire pressure gauge. A T15 Torx head bit and T15 Torx head Allen wrench are included for assembly. Step 1. Unpacking. Remove the Torx head screws from the top and top perimeter of the crate on all 4 sides. Carefully lift the crate lid up and set aside. Remove the Torx head screws from the bottom sideboard of the crate and then from each upright on both sides of the panel. Carefully remove the crate wall and set aside. Repeat for the remaining 3 sides. Remove the bag and side discharge chute packaging. Remove the seat and seat packaging. Carefully cut the strap securing your front and rear wheel axles to the crate. Inspect the product carefully to make sure no breakage or damage occurred during shipping. If any parts on the loose parts list are already assembled, verify the part is assembled correctly, is properly tightened, and is torqued correctly where applicable. Mower should be assembled while on the frame bottom. Step 2. Installing the seat. Place the seat assembly over the mounting brackets and align as shown. Lower the seat clip so it's secured onto the mounting bracket. Attach the seat safety interlock cable to the plug on the mower. Clip the seat cable into the seat. Lower the seat. Step 3. Connecting the batteries. Pull up on the latch to lift the tractor hood. Remove the storage tray. Install the battery pack's quick connect plug. Repeat for each battery pack. Replace the storage tray and lower the tractor hood. Make sure the hood is securely latched. Step 4. Checking the tire pressure. Check the tire pressure in all tires before use. Recommended pressure for the front wheels is 15 psi and 12 psi for the rear wheels. Step 5. Verifying the mower's condition. Inspect the entire product for damaged, missing, or loose parts such as screws, nuts, bolts, and caps. Tighten all fasteners and caps securely and do not operate this product until any missing or damaged parts are replaced. Step 6. Removing the front deck boards. Remove the Torx head screws from the deck boards at the front of the crate. Remove the boards and set aside. Step 7. Driving the mower off the frame. Raise the cutting deck to the highest position. Release the parking brake. Slowly drive the mower off the frame. Step 8. Charging the mower. Mower batteries must be fully charged before first use. Insert charger plug into charging port on the mower, making sure it is properly connected. Connect the charger to the power supply using a normal household current of 120 volts, AC only, 60 Hz. Check the indicator light on the charger to determine if the mower batteries are fully charged. Remove the charger from the mower once it is fully charged and ready for use. Step 9. Testing the safety interlock system. The safety interlock system will shut off the blades if the operator leaves the seat with the blades running. Position the mower on a level surface to test the safety interlock system. Make sure to set the parking brake and the blade engage knob is down. Install the start key and turn to the on position. Raise the blade engage knob to activate the blades. Briefly lift off the seat, but do not get off the mower. The blades will shut off within 5 seconds. If they do not, verify the safety interlock cable connection. Step 10. Operating the mower. Verify the battery charge is at 100%. Adjust the seat to the desired position. Raise the mower deck to its highest position. Insert the start key and turn to the on position. Release the parking brake. Press the accelerator pedal and drive to the desired mowing location. When at the desired location, stop the mower, turn the key to off, and set the parking brake. Adjust the mower deck to the desired position. Turn the start key to on and release the parking brake. Raise the blade and gauge knob to activate the blades and begin to mow. To reverse mow, depress the brake and bring the mower to a complete stop. Push the blade and gauge knob down to turn the blades off. Press the reverse mode button. Raise the blade and gauge knob. Slowly press the reverse pedal and reverse mow as needed. When finished, stop the mower on a flat, level surface. Push the blade and gauge knob down to turn the blades off. Set the parking brake, turn the key to off, and turn RMO off. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.